So these are the attic ladders available here in the Philippines.
We have wood, aluminum, and metal.
So wood, aluminum, and metal. So you can see they got wood.
Aluminum is there.
Okay. And these are the aluminum.
The scissor type ma'am is metal. Aluminum.
Aluminum is better, no? So their maximum length is 10 meters.
10 feet.
10 feet,
Yes.
3 meters.
Ladder
So that is the max. But if you wanna go higher, hindi pa, it's not available.
If we want to go high,
Longer than 3 meters. So far, the maximum is only 3 meters length of the attic ladders. So they got a scissor type, 3-fold ladder in wood and in metal. So how much is the pricing for this, ma'am?
wood ma'am is 25,000 pesos.
And that's in the maximum height, the 3 meters, 25. So ang aluminum,
Aluminum ma'am, 29,500.
29,500. Is that including installation?
Not yet.
Not yet? Hindi pa.
Yung installer natin dito ma'am, pwede nyo naman makausap yun. And you can parang fix the rate.
Okay.
Scissor type ma'am is 42,000 pesos. This one ma'am, top of the line.
So the scissor type is your top of the line. 42,000 pesos.
It's much more, aesthetic wise, it's much more nice. It's also parang they use it if they wanna convert the room into a loft or into tulugan, bedroom, ganyan.
Okay. It's easier to operate for that sa scissor type. Is it easier to operate?
Well, all of it naman ma'am is lightweight, so
Okay.
it is easy to operate. But with scissor type kasi, it extends. Yes. With ladder and aluminum, tri-fold na. So you have to fold it like this ma'am. But
Okay.
it's super lightweight.
Because I'm sure a lot of Filipinos don't know that this is available now in the Philippines.
But ang dami na po nag-order sa amin ma'am.
Sige.
Especially in Manila. Here in Cebu din.
Because you don't have any so as of now wala pa kayo sa Cebu. So this is still just available in Manila.
Yes.
It's not in Cebu yet, but it will soon be when they start become popular.
Yes.
They will be all over the country.
Yes.
So this is the metal scissor
Yes, scissor type ma'am. We also have 1-year warranty ma'am.
for all of this.
All of them.
So that's how you operate it.
Yes.
You pull it and then you can climb up. Okay. The maximum is 300 pounds. So that's the specs of the scissor.
That's the capacity ma'am. 200 kilos. 300.
So that's the scissor type. And I'm sure you've seen all of this in the movies when they climb up their attics.
Yes, ma'am. Not scary movie.
No, scary movies, yeah. That they hide in their attic and they just pull it out. It is now available in the Philippines. So the wood type is 25,000. So the aluminum is 29,500 and then the scissor is 42,000.
Yes, ma'am. It's very cost efficient ma'am because it lasts very long.
Yes.
Lifetime actually. Aluminum and scissor type. With wood ma'am, 10 to 15 years. If you maintain it, probably 20 to 25 years.
Yeah. But how long? How often do you use your attic anyway? You know,
Yeah,
it will last long.
And just, take care of it with Solignum, WD-40, the anti-termite.
Okay. It is very nice. So I'll watch your video a little bit.
Hindi pa ba?
That's how they operate it.
Yes.
Installation. Ay, di siya maklaro.
Maximex ko lang. Kasi garage
Ah, yeah.
area. Dito natin.
So this is the scissor type of the ladder. Yeah. And easy to keep as well, no?